Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change age on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter of first, simply go ahead, access your particular Roblox app in your mobile phone and get logged in as well. Afterwards, simply go ahead, tap on this three dot icon given below right corner of your screen and tap on settings app icon. And now go ahead, tap on this option called tap on this account info tab on top. And now you have to see, you can find this kind of interface including your birthday, right? You can go ahead, tap on it again, choose your birthday according to you, the correct birthday that you want to change into. Once you have changed it, you're simply gonna go ahead, save the info and tap on this verify age. That will, you will be able to verify your new age. Make sure it is, and that way you will simply be able to change your age right there on your Roblox, just like that. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.